Air suspension systems replace traditional coil springs with air-filled bags, providing superior ride quality and adjustable vehicle height. This advanced technology offers significant advantages over conventional suspension systems. The air suspension system consists of 6 key components working together. Each component plays a crucial role in maintaining proper vehicle height and ride quality. When the air suspension warning light illuminates, it indicates a fault within the system. Understanding the most common causes helps prioritize diagnostic efforts and repair strategies. Modern vehicles feature advanced diagnostic capabilities, including OBD3 integration and smartphone connectivity. These systems provide real-time monitoring and more precise fault identification than ever before. Enhanced reliability in newer air suspension systems has significantly improved performance. Failure rates have decreased by approximately 30% since 2022, making modern systems more dependable than ever. The first step in fixing air suspension faults is a thorough visual inspection. Start by checking for obvious signs of failure around your vehicle. Examine the undercarriage to identify suspension components and check for visible damage to air lines, connections, and mounting points. Next, use an OBD2 scanner with air suspension capability to read fault codes. Record all active and pending codes along with freeze-frame data for accurate diagnosis. For compressor problems, start with the most affordable fixes. Replace the compressor relay for $15 to $30 or clean the intake filter. If these don't work, compressor replacement costs $300 to $800. Air leaks are detected using soapy water on connections or electronic leak detectors. Common fixes include replacing O-rings and seals for $20 to $50 or airbags for $200 to $500 per corner. Height sensor problems causing uneven ride height may require sensor calibration, reset procedures, or complete sensor replacement, costing $150 to $300. The universal reset method works for most vehicles. Turn ignition to on with engine off. Raise the vehicle to maximum height. Turn ignition off for 30 seconds. Then restart and allow self-leveling. Some manufacturers require specific diagnostic systems. Mercedes needs Star Diagnostics, BMW uses ISTA software, Audi and Volkswagen require VCDS, and Land Rover uses SDD for proper reset procedures. Following this systematic approach, visual inspection, diagnostic scanning, targeted repairs, and proper reset procedures will resolve most air suspension faults efficiently and cost-effectively.